We're down here in downtown Manteno, beautiful Manteno Sportsman Club. Camping experience. There's Terry fixing his fishing pole. Beautiful downtown Manteno. Here's the lake. We got a shot of the lake. I was catching some fish earlier. There's the sun. The house is across the lake. Beautiful. Nice places. There's Jimmy's vehicle, paid off in 2 more months. He's going to be happy. There's Chris. There's Amber. Jimmy's daughter. There's Jennifer. Jennifer, say hi. There's Kung Fu Panda.
We won!
Yeah, we're the champion beanbag players.
Hey, am I ugly, babe?
Huh? No, you're beautiful inside. What do you mean? I want to hear her.
Her said I was ugly.
She's trifling, you know that.
You don't know what
You're not, you're beautiful. What are you talking about?
Beautiful.
And I know what you say.
Alright,
You're singing, bringing me down.
Bring you
Here's Jennifer.
Bandana.
Won't you bring
There's
me
Jimmy.
down
He's going to get us next week. They won 3 games in a row. They were dethroned. They were dethroned. Who was that?
Bring your lady home.
Oh.
Am I bothering? Babe, go next door and see if I'm bothering these people.
I'm sure you are. They want to leave. Oh, there's a
His kids are
foot race.
louder than me.